Welcome to the Working with Climate Conditions Data in FieldScope tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to work with observed and predicted climate data in FieldScope. To begin, we need to turn the Climate Conditions Data Layer on so it is visible on our map. Click on the Themes tab to view the available data layers. The Climate Conditions layer is located with the other environmental data layers. Turn the Climate Conditions layer on by checking the small box next to the layer title. Notice that you can display two data sets in the FieldScope interface. This allows you to compare two different data layers. In this instance, observed climate conditions for the years between 1901 to 1925, on the left, are compared to predicted climate conditions for the years 2001 to 2025, on the right. Observed refers to climate data as it has been observed across the United States. Predicted refers to climate data predicted using the KG climate model. Use the drop-down to select a data set that will be drawn on the left side of the map. Use the right drop-down to set the data that will be displayed on the right side of the map. Notice the gray slider bar. This can be moved back and forth across the map, allowing you to compare two data sets within a particular region. Drag the slider bar back and forth to observe the data on the left, compared to the right side for any area. Adjust the transparency of the layer using the slider. Remember, you can change the base map in FieldScope. Let's select terrain so the terrain is visible below. Notice that with transparency on and the terrain base map selected, you see some texture on the map. Play with the azimuths and find one that you like. The National Geographic base layer contains city names that might be useful for our final map. Click here to close the themes sidebar. The map will expand when you do this. Use the Select tool to learn more about the climate information for a particular location on the map. Click on an area on the map. The climate information, observed and predicted, for that location appears on the screen. You can close this window by clicking on the X. You can also zoom in on an area to look at climate information in that location. Click a few times to zoom in. Click and drag your mouse to center your zoom location on the map. Click on an area on the map to display climate information for that location. This box contains the climate information, observed and predicted, for all years for the location that you clicked. Close the window by clicking on the X. Spend some time experimenting with the various FieldScope tools. When you are happy with your map, save it. You can open a saved map or save your new map as an imaged file, PNG. Once your map is saved, you can use this image in Word or PowerPoint for a write-up or presentation. Now it's your turn to explore the Koppen-Geiger Data Layer. Thank you for watching the tutorial.